Hi, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. If you'll have watched my video last week, you'll have seen me flip through this lovely notebook style journal. And I made 3 out of the same pack, so I'm just going to show you this little note journal style. It's quite a lot smaller than this one, and I call it an autograph size. It's 6 inches this way and 4 inches that way, so it's just a nice pocket size, or to keep by your bedside. And I'll just flip through it for you. So I've used this as a front cover. I've got a bit of staining going on there. I think that was intentional, not a coffee mug. This is a photograph of the sea that my daughter took, and she's aged it. You can just see the waves here and the splashing of the waves there. And it says on a little quote she's put, "And what does the sea tell you in dreams? Does it sing of the horizons never to be reached?" So I've got that on the front cover of this one. I've also got it in this notebook. So this one again is going to be hardly any ephemera in. I just wanted it to be sort of there to write in. So on here you've got the music score just faded in the background. As I say, I've added this mark on here. And a lovely stained page there. And I've ripped all the edges so that they give that vintage look with and I've inked them all. And on here I've used a stamp with some writing and just put it very faintly in various places so it looks very faded. Here I've got another little notebook so that it opens this way, and some more paper in there. And there's a little envelope poking out there with some, it's just a fold out, and a piece of washi tape on there. So I could have put a lot more on here, but I wanted it to be a bit, you know, ready for me to write in and add anything I wanted at the time. So these have got a bluish tinge to them. Some graph paper in here. And another blue. Now I've added the stamp again so that it looks as though it's faded writing. A beautiful image there of the horn blowing out beautiful stars into your dreams, with some moon images. And these are all pages from the pack on our Etsy shop, but I've just cut them down. Some lined paper. And I've just added these little shorter pieces of paper just to, I thought the flowers on there went so well with the colours. I wanted to have them next to each other. I've just used a simple binding of cotton. I just use a needle and thread to bind them. This is a beautiful stained page. And that one looks like it's a photo, but it is a photo that my daughter's taken, but she's added it with the corners there, so it looks like it's stuck in, and it says 1907, and it says moon dust on the tips of waves. Beautiful little quotes she's put there. Again, some collage pieces with, this is all on the paper when you print it out. Contemplate. This I've added some tea stained paper so that just extra writing space, and a little bit of washi tape. More writing space, and a lovely little notebook. I love this size. I think I'm going to do some more of that size. So that's those two. And I've got one more to show you, which is this one, and I'll be videoing that next week. So join me next week to see the last one. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking through that little autograph journal, and please join me again next week. And if you liked it, please press the like button and subscribe. Lovely to be with you again. Bye for now. Happy crafting.